In today's video, we shall be bringing you the latest from the United States, where there is a new U.S. travel warning regarding registration within a 30-day travel or face jail terms, fines or deportation. A new rule from the Trump administration now requires all foreign nationals in the U.S. for more than 30 days to register with DHS or face steep penalties. From self-deportation options to daily fines and jail time, here's what every traveler and visa holder needs to know. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security (DHS) has rolled out a new rule under the Trump administration that affects how long foreign nationals can stay in the country without formally registering. According to the new rule, anyone who remains in the United States for more than 30 days must now register with the federal government or face serious consequences. This isn't just a policy tweak. According to DHS, not registering could lead to daily fines, imprisonment, deportation, and even bans from future legal entry. Mandatory registration. DHS is now requiring anyone staying in the U.S. for more than 30 days to register with the federal government. Yes, you read that right. And what if you fail to do so? Well, that could land you in some hot water. Think fines and even jail time. Leave now and self-deport in a post-titled message to illegal aliens. The DHS emphasized a new enforcement policy on social media, tagging both President Trump and Homeland Security Secretary Creasy Noem. The post stated, "Foreign nationals present in the U.S. longer than 30 days must register with the federal government. Failure to comply is a crime punishable by fines and imprisonment." This marks one of the strongest public warnings from DHS in recent times, signaling a sharp crackdown on undocumented stays.
What happens if you don't register? The consequences are no joke. Here's what DHS outlined. $998 per day fine if you stay after receiving a final removal order. $1,000 to $5,000 fine if you say you'll self-deport but don't follow through. Jail time if you continue to ignore the rules. Ban from returning to the U.S. legally in the future. In short, the longer you wait, the higher the penalty, and the slimmer your chances of returning. What if you choose to self-deport? Interestingly, DHS is also offering what they call a safe exit option. Those who voluntarily leave the U.S. may choose their own departure flight. Keep earnings earned in the U.S. if they haven't committed any crimes. Maintain eligibility for future legal immigration pathways. Even apply for a subsidized flight home if needed. DHS is urging undocumented individuals to self-deport now before enforcement intensifies. Does this affect legal visa holders like H-1B or F-1 students? Not directly, for now. The rule doesn't target individuals currently on legal visas like H-1B workers or F-1 international students. However, there's a catch. Once a visa expires or becomes invalid, like in the case of a job loss, your legal status ends too. So, if you're an H-1B visa holder who's been laid off and hasn't left within the grace period, you may be viewed as unlawfully present and subject to the same rules. In short, maintaining visa compliance is more critical than ever under these new enforcement policies. Therefore, if you're living in or planning to travel to the U.S., here's what you need to know. If staying over 30 days, you need to register with DHS. If you already overstayed your visa, consider self-deporting to avoid legal trouble. If you want to stay longer, make sure your visa and paperwork are in order, and if you cannot afford a flight home, apply for subsidized return through the DHS. This new policy is part of a broader push by the Trump administration to tighten immigration enforcement. It's a wake-up call for anyone overstaying their welcome, whether by accident or intention.
If you're in the U.S. without valid documentation, the best course of action right now may be to consult an immigration lawyer or explore DHS's self-deportation process before penalties start piling up. And that draws the curtain on the latest from the United States, where there is a new U.S. travel warning regarding registration within a 30-day travel or face jail terms, fines or deportation. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully
migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our latest videos produced. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us by electronic mail, and let's create this success story together. Thank you, and see you at the next video.